We're good. So guys, another matte black AMG joining the family. I've been sick for like 3 days. I'm sure you can probably hear it in my voice. I wasn't planning on making a video, but I didn't think this thing was coming in until next week, so it's not mine. That's why it's a little bit clickbaity. Basically, my dad wanted to buy a G63 for himself and his wife. So after seeing my E-Class, he really wanted the matte black. So I reached out to my friend Ken at Catronio Auto Group, the guy I buy all my cars from. Me and him kind of worked together. I tracked the car down. 2 days later, Ken bought it. It's in Dallas, got checked out, and now it's here in Sugar Land. He's out of town, so he comes back tomorrow night. So I'll be driving this thing for the next 2 days, and then he'll pick it up and I think surprise his wife with it on Saturday. So yeah, pretty awesome. Fun fact I'll talk about later in this video, I have one of these coming for myself as well, but I have a 2019, the new body style coming to kind of round out my collection of AMGs. But I'm excited to drive it for a day or two. I'll give you my opinions on the old one and why I'm ordering a new one. But right now I'm gonna go back to Christian's house and finish eating because me and Max kind of left in the middle because the truck had just got here. But yeah, spin back to the house. All right guys, so I tried to vlog when I got home the other night, and then I tried to vlog yesterday, and as you can tell by my voice, I'm still sick. Yesterday I was totally out of commission, just laid in bed all day. I'm still not feeling great, but I'm just sick of being inside laying in bed. So I'm gonna drop the G-Wagon off at my dad's house. He's currently at lunch with his wife, and then he's gonna surprise her with it when they get home. Husband of the Year award for sure. I have Taylor behind me. He's gonna pick me up, so we're just gonna drop it off. I'm gonna do a full review of this car, maybe next week or the week after. Just being in here for like a little bit yesterday and a little bit today. So many shortcomings with this thing. Like it's basically like driving a very, very, very expensive Jeep. This thing is more similar to a Jeep Wrangler than it is like a Range Rover, what it really competes with, because these things are about $150,000 new. This one's used quite a bit less, but brand new, I think this one was like 153. So 153,000. Look at the dash. Like look at, this is from a 10-year-old C-Class. This is from a 10-year-old E-Class. There's just, as far as technology goes, nothing in here is like the latest and greatest. Even the sunroof is not a moonroof, it's just a sunroof. So there's no glass. It's either open to the elements or it's closed. There's no just looking outside. It's pretty crazy. But I do love the way it drives, and this thing sounds incredible. This is the 5.5 liter instead of the 4 liter in my car. It's a little bit deeper. The turbos are a little bit more audible. It's just got a little bit more muscle car feel to it than my car, which sounds a little bit more, I don't know, European, if you will. I like the sound of this one better. I hate being sick. Like I have no energy, and even if I had energy, I'm so unproductive. I can't focus on anything. Literally since Wednesday, it's currently Saturday, I've gotten nothing done. By far my least favorite thing, and I'm sure probably everybody feels the same way, is being sick. Oh my God, I'm like hot and nauseous, and it's not good. And I know working out's probably the worst idea I've had, but I'm sick of being at the house. I think like sweating this out might help a little bit, and more than anything, I just want to be outside. I'm sick of being in my room for the last 4 days at this point. So I'm gonna get a quick workout in. I know at one point I said I would never vlog fitness stuff on my channel, and never said I wouldn't do a quick little montage. Just kidding, guys. GoPro, I need to start vlogging more with this thing. It's so light, it's like indestructible. Take it everywhere. Really good workout. I'm definitely winded. Whew. All right, guys, really windy up here. But like I said, I just want to be outside for a little bit, so I'm gonna end the video up here. Because at this point, I bet a bunch of you guys have already commented down below and be like, this is clickbait, I'm unsubscribing, why you gotta clickbait, I hate you, blah, blah, blah. Guys, if my content is not up to par and you can't deal with a little bit of clickbait, I apologize, but it's not really clickbait. See, when I bought my E63S, part of the deal was they took my deposit. I will be the first G63 from that dealership, hopefully one of the first in the US. As soon as the build slot opens, I'm gonna spec it out. I'll probably make a whole video of the spec that I'm buying. But the reason I'm buying a G63, after I said there's so many things I hate about them, they are kind of badass, and the new generation one has fixed almost everything I hated about the old one. I'm gonna do a whole video over the one my dad just bought, explaining like what I don't like about it. But essentially, the G-Wagon has been a military vehicle for a long time. A lot of countries still use them as military grade vehicles, similar to us with the Humvees and Jeeps and stuff like that. So Mercedes, when they brought them to the consumer market, they didn't really change them too much. The technology is super old. The ride quality is a little harsh. Just in general, they're very dated, and it's like a parts bin from every other Mercedes. The window up and down buttons are from the C-Class. The screen in the middle is from an old C-Class. The center console looks like it's from an E-Class. It's kind of like they just took extra parts and built an SUV. But the G-Wagon is known as like an icon. The Kardashians have them, basketball players have them, NFL players have them. Anybody that's somebody has a G-Wagon. So they sell very, very well, even though they're $150,000. And compared to other cars in their range, the luxury is just not even close. But they sell like crazy and they hold value like crazy. Well, the new generation, since it's so different, I'm willing to bet it's gonna go way over sticker for a decent amount of time. So really the reason I'm buying one is because I think it's gonna be similar to a GT3, where I'll be able to drive it for 6-7 months and then sell it for pretty much what I bought it for. I'll essentially be able to drive it as my daily car, have some fun in it. Unless I really, really love it, I'll probably sell it like 6-7 months down the road. That's my reason for buying one. And as of right now, I'm thinking red with the night package and the black wheels, and definitely want the cattle guard on it because it just looks kind of badass. As soon as I get my build sheet, I'll go through it with you guys and I'll spec it all out. And I'm thinking I'm gonna hold on to my E-Class for now. So I will have the E and the G just for like a short period of time. And then maybe when I get ready to sell the G, I'll sell both of them and upgrade into something a little bit more exotic that I've really been wanting recently. But that's where this video comes from. It is kind of clickbait, but at the same time it's not, because I really will be buying a G-Wagon. I've already got my deposit down. Once they give the dealer the build sheet, I'll spec it out and hopefully it'll be here. I have no idea right now, but hopefully within the year, the new G-Class will be here. Also, new Fuel Force merchandise is coming, guys. I have 3 shirts coming, some stickers, some keychains. The hats will be in hopefully sometime this summer. These take a little bit longer to get, and I essentially just mimicked the AMG hat to a T. I absolutely love this hat. I wear it all the time. So super excited about that. Trying to put a car show together really, really soon. And yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Comment down below what you think of the G63, the old generation and the new gen. If you guys haven't hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead and hit it. We're like 25 away from 90,000, and then we'll be on our way to 100,000. I just want the plaque, guys. I wanna hang the plaque over my desk. That's all I've wanted since I've started this. So hit the subscribe button, share this with your friends if you liked it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.